Tired of scrounging YouTube for math help? ThatTutorGuy.com has videos covering everything from pre-algebra to calculus, chemistry, and physics, all taught by a Stanford-educated tutor with 10 years experience making hard classes easy. Because I'm a tutor, not a teacher, I don't lecture. All the videos on the site are aimed at showing you how to do the problems in the quickest and simplest way possible. Math is hard, and the simple truth is that 90% of students can't learn from a textbook, and the examples in the book are almost never as hard as the problems on the homework and test anyway. So I work tons of examples and show you the tricks teachers pull for each type of problem. There's two ways to get around the site and find what you're looking for. The first is you can just find your class at the top of the site, click on that, and that'll bring up a list of the chapters and topics that we cover in pretty much the standard order that most teachers and books cover them. Once you found the topic you're looking for, click on that, and that will bring you to a full page of videos covering that topic in depth, including all the different types of examples your teacher is likely to throw at you. If you can't find what you're searching for that way, it's probably because you have one of those weird teachers that occasionally pulls a subject from another year, usually far in the future. So just go to the search form at the top of the page, enter your search term, and that'll bring up a list of all the videos on the site that cover that topic, no matter which class they appear in. You can either watch the video in the search results page, or you can click the link underneath the video to take you back to the topic that video came from, so that you can see all the videos before and after it and make sure you don't miss a thing. I'm a tutor, not a teacher, so I don't sit around deriving every formula and equation in your book. Instead, I just try and explain how to do the problems you need to do in the quickest and simplest way possible, and that's what I put in the videos. Whether you're trying to get your pre-calc grade from a B+ to an A-, or you're just trying to get through college algebra on your third try, click now to see how ThatTutorGuy.com can help you reach your goals.